Hello students. Now today we will solve the last section of part B, section 5, which is 3 questions of 5 marks, total 15 marks. Now these 3 questions you have seen the sample question paper from data frame, from MySQL, from networking. 3 questions have been asked. So go through the questions. Now in this video I am just showing you the sample question paper, and after that in detail we will make the videos of each topic like MySQL, all the questions together, networking, all the questions. So let us see the question paper and the answer also, which is given by CBSE. So question number 38, 39, 40 you have seen there. Now this is part B, section 3. So write a program in Python pandas to create the data frame. Now this is very easy. You all know how to create a data frame. Name of the data frame is batsman. So we will write batsman equals to pd.dataframe. Now in dictionary we will create here. So you can see the answer always. The first line is import pandas as pd. Second line will be creating a dictionary. So d equals to in curly brace. Now the headings you will write as keys and the datas in square bracket as values. So first one is, you can see BNO is given. So batsman number or BNO. So whatever is given, same as it is. If it's all are string normally the heading, so it will be in quotes. Then colon, in square bracket, all the 4 values, whatever values will be given, comma separated. If it is a string, it will have quotes, single quotes or double quotes. And if it is a numeric value, directly you will write it. So we will close the dictionary here, and then the name of the data frame is batsman. So we'll write here batsman equals to pd.dataframe. In bracket, the name of the dictionary we will write here. Any name you can give. Now the questions they have given. So 2 marks for creating the dictionary and 3 questions they have given. In this 3 questions, first one is to add the scores of the batsman and assign the column. So you will simply add here and you will assign the column name. So name of the data frame they have used here as df. New column is total, and simply you can directly also add it or sum df of score 1 comma df of score 2. So 2 columns you are adding, score 1 and score 2. You will use the function sum, and then of data frame which column, comma the next data frame which column, that is to be mentioned here. So after that you can print it. Next question is display the highest score in both score 1 and score 2. Now highest score means you have to use the maximum of df of score 1, and the second one is maximum of df of score 2. So how we are writing? Name of the data frame in square bracket, the column name, and in front we will use the maximum function to display the maximum value. Third one is display the data frame. So we will use here print and in bracket the name of the data frame. Now here, as in the question, batsman data frame is given the name. You can use batsman. You should use batsman instead of df. Alright, in answer they have given here df. So we can write any one of these. Next is write SQL function which will perform the following operations. So 5 SQL functions are given. You can see here optional question, that is OR is also given here. So let us solve the first one. Display the name of the month of the current date. So here the name of the month we will use month name, and date current means now we can use here. So from now you can extract the month name, that is the name of the month, will extract it. Next is to remove the spaces from beginning and end both. So trim we will use and the string we will use. Next, third one is display the name of the day, Friday or Sunday, from your date of birth. That is day name you have to write from our date of birth. So directly also we can write here day name and then DOB. To convert it into date and then extract the day name, we will use the date function. Yeah. Next is you have to display the name, display the start position of your first name from your whole name. So the start position of our first name, that is position, always we use in string, in bracket name and comma f name. It will return the position of, suppose it is written Miss Ria Bharti. So it will be Ria, you want to find out MS dot then R. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will return 4 here. To compute the remainder of division between two numbers, already you have done mod n1 comma n2. So here mod returns the remainder of division of two numbers. Next one table is given to you. So we will use all the select query. And the first one is display salesman name and bonus after rounding off. All the 5 questions of one set you have to do. You cannot do some question of the first, and then since OR is given here, either all 5 of the first one using function or all 5 of the second, that is select queries, you have to write here. The second, here it is display salesman name and bonus after rounding off to 0 decimal place. So directly you will write here salesman name is S name. So select S name comma round in bracket bonus. Directly also it will work, or bonus comma 0 from table name. You can see the table name is given here at the top, salesman. So from salesman semicolon. The second one is display the position of occurrence of the string TA in salesman name. Now this question you can see it is repeated 3 times. At the top also in section 2 also it was given. Now in this section also position of occurrence of the string. So in string we will use here, select in string S name comma in double quotes TA from salesman semicolon. Third one is display the 4 characters from salesman name starting from second character. Now here we will use SUBSTR or substring or mid, salesman name, comma, now the start and the number of characters. So start character is second 2. So 2 comma and 4 characters after that you have to display. So 2 comma 4. Select substring S name 2 comma 4 from salesman. You can see here the output from salesman semicolon. Next one is display the month name from the date of join of salesman. So you select month name in bracket, date of join as it is given in the question paper, date of join spelling from salesman semicolon. Last one is display the name of the weekday from the date of join of salesman. So here weekday, that is the day name, Sunday, Monday, day name you have to write. So select day name in bracket, date of join from salesman semicolon. So here all the questions will have 1 marks, where you can see here half marks for correct usage of select and round, and the half marks for function and half marks for correct usage of select query. Select how you have to write, select the function and from table name, that is to be written. Now the last question you can see for 40th question of the question paper is 4 wings will be given to you, network question, the distance is given to you, and then the questions are asked. Distance between the wings are given to you. Now which wing contains how many computers? Now you can see the question. Suggest the most suitable cable layout for the above connection. Now the best suitable cable layout you have to draw here. So you can see here as per the distance, the cable length, you can see 25 meters W2 to W4. So we will connect W2 with W4, minimum length 25 meters. Then the second length is W1 to W3 50 meters, and the next one will be W1 to W2 60 meters. So here you can see the bus connection we will do in the same way. You can also make a second option. You can just write here a star connection where W1 is having the maximum number of computers. You can place in between, and all the 3 wings W2, W3, W4 you can connect with W1. So second option also you can draw. You will get marks for that also. Now the next is which is the most appropriate topology of the connection between. Topology is best is star because it is centralized control. So number 2 answer will be star topology. Third one, the company wants internet accessibility in all the wings. Suggest a suitable technology. So broadband we used to use. These days many new technologies are there. So you can write here broadband. These are descriptive questions. You can explain also why you have written the answer, which option you have written and why you have written. Next, suggest the placement of the following device with justification if the company wants minimize network traffic. Repeater you have already studied. Wherever the distance is less than 100 meter, no repeater is required. As the distance increases more than 100 meter, then we use a repeater to amplify the signal or regenerate or restore the signal. Next, hub and switch, wherever the number of computers is more than one to connect all the computers among themselves, we use switch. In your school also, in computer lab, you have seen the switch is used to connect all the computers. Next, the company is planning to link its head office situated in New Delhi with the office in hilly areas. Now here, in hilly areas, radio waves we can use here for short distance. That satellite also you can write, because through satellite, through microwave also you can, but you have to justify your answer. So better after writing the answer you justify here that why you have written radio waves, or if you are writing satellite, through satellite you want to give internet connection, that also you can mention. So this is your last section, section 5. So all these are of 5 marks. Now if you have any doubt, you just write in comment section, so we will discuss all the doubts. So thank you, have a nice day.